Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Today I've got a TMG 500-gallon tank smoker heading out of the shop today. This is going on man Bobby down in Texas. Hey, you know we love all our Texas folks. And this is our 500-gallon on the skids package. So this is a basic 500 here. When you go order one on the website, this is exactly how it comes here. Everything you see standard. Fold down stack, standard. Counterweighted doors, standard. All right, open her up here. Top rack, not just one top rack. We're gonna give you both top rack standard. All right, you ain't paying extra for top rack in my town. All right, and we got full bottom grades here. 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain. You can see we do a pretty badass skid setup on here. Well, of course, all three-dimensional fabricated parts. Come around with the firebox. We've got a fully insulated firebox here, right on the 500s, 24-inch pipe on the inside, right with insulation. The door's insulated, as you can see. The front of the firebox is insulated. Now, these tank smokers run very efficient, really easy to run. Put out some great food, and man, they just look badass doing it. Of course, it's got our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers there. The counterweights are set up just right on it. So guys, that is our TMG 500-gallon tank. About to load up on a trailer, ship it down to Bobby. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.